All right, so back again, just like again earlier, another XP Home Edition. Would give me one thing: old service pack. So for this next part, we are on a Fujitsu Lifebook S6120. Something else. I'm not gonna go more. Just it might be me about me, but there we go. Got a Fujitsu, so it's a new manufacturer for the first time anyway. Run Windows XP Home Edition, as you saw. So to load the properties, go through the programs, you can see we actually have 2 pages of the app, so that's a little different than most of the time. Okay, well, let's say this will appear. It's a Fujitsu 6120-_6120D. So we're on Service Pack 1 at least, so it's a little bit different anyway. So Service Pack 0. Most of our apps we got Internet Explorer, so provided by Fujitsu. No, it is not. Got Microsoft Reader. I have never heard of this before, actually, so it's a little interesting, but it's good to see if that still works. MSN, Netscape, maybe not connect to it, our server did. Norton antivirus, that's probably going to be a problem. It's probably going to, yeah, I wonder why it's expired. That makes sense. Quicken 2003, third-party software. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's like more shortcuts. Okay. Digital magazines, business week. Oh, that's interesting. I guess for some reason there's just like a manual in here. Okay, we'll look into that. Turn a Toyota Avalon. That's actually pretty interesting. That's actually kind of cool. That's just built in out of the box. And there's a lot of other stuff on here like to go through, but that's because we don't have much time. We don't have enough time to go through all that. No special games either, etc. So to get started, we're going to need to go ahead and, well, before actually, one thing I will go through, we're going to go through the Studio Player in here because it's like it's, okay, yeah. So let's go and get started. We're going to go on to Service Pack 2, and then we're going to Windows Vista. So, as per usual, Norton is always the problem. It's always Norton. So we'll just remove that and move on with our life. Alright, we got quite a bit of stuff to go through, but first of all, it got rid of our wallpaper. Oh well, they're right here, and plus there's multiple that were originally default because that's fine with me. So got Microsoft Reader, whatever this is, that works fine, looks like. Digital magazine works fine. I guess I should probably make it different. Okay, yeah, there's this man, there's this one. Alright. Sure, we'll do Netscape. That still works just fine. I don't remember anything we went through, to be straight up honest with you. There wasn't really much to go through. Let's see, but yeah, okay. We'll say everything works in this case. We just lost sound. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to Windows 7. Alright, let's go ahead and set our resolution, because as per usual, these almost always revert it, and then I do this, and it looks like horror, it looks like crap, but it's fine. Okay, so our wallpaper is gone now, which is not that surprising, but we can just go here. Oh look, here it is. So here's the wallpaper again for endless opportunities and possibilities. So Microsoft Reader, that works just fine. I still don't actually know what this is, which is kind of, I've actually never heard of this app before, but that's okay. MS Explorer, I think I need to run that actually. Netscape, I don't know what it's even connecting to, but it connects to something. I think it actually does connect to something. Google icon. Yeah, no, it does connect to something. This can't be secure. That's fine. Our third-party software palette. It's just folders in the end. Let's open PC Magazine this time. Looks, I don't even know what computer this says. I can't tell. So that's interesting. All right. Yeah, they pretty much all the main apps we really cared about. So I'm gonna say this was a pass, a success. Let's move on to Windows 10. Alrighty, here we are on Windows 10, and as per usual, it looks like nothing got removed. That does not surprise me, because I think at this point in the series we have come to the conclusion that that's pretty normal. But, however, I can go ahead and bring back the wallpaper, because I'm 99% confident it's just stored here in the Windows folders where they usually are. Okay, actually I might have lied. I don't know why it's jumping like that, but it is. Okay, I don't know where it is actually, so we will be bringing it back, but that's not the important part. The important part is our files. So Microsoft Reader still works, just a lot more slower. Just don't know if I opened this Drive Image program. Whatever that is, that's broken now. Got our newsstand. Okay, I think that's actually new, but it works. That's the important part. Can't close it. Yes, we can actually. Okay. Digital magazines. Let's go take a look at Harvard Business. I don't think we looked at that one. Yep, looks as I'd expected to. So I'm gonna say that's pretty much a success. Looks like most of the stuff that was working prior is still working, and what wasn't pleasant. Let's check Netscape just one more time just to make sure. Yep, that looks perfectly fine. They do appear to be opening slower, but that makes sense. Oh, that didn't. Oh, there it goes. Okay, yeah, there's opening more slower. That makes sense. But that was success. So let's move on to the next one.